Hello everyone. In Python series, the next program is generate the fake data. How we generate the fake data like our name, address, website, etc. So first you will have to install this library. I have already installed pip install faker. Okay. Then import this library from faker. Import faker. That time is a small letter and that time is a capital letter. F is capital letter and pandas. Next one is the panda library. So it's working. Then use the variable. Sample is the variable where I create the faker. Create the module. It's working. Now which I want to use the faker. I want the name, fake address, fake date of birth, all these things I want the fake. So I print the name, then sample is a variable name, that dot name. Same is sample dot variable address, date of birth and country, email address. So it generate all fake name, address and country name. So we get the Elizabeth Harry, date of birth and address, then country name United Arab, and this is the mail ID. It generate all fake data. Next is I want that it work in Hindi. Uh, So the same thing is called the import the library. You do not need to again write these two library because firstly I have already mentioned. So I have written again. So it depend on you. So there is a variable name, then faker, where I pass the local is a function, where is hi is Hindi and underscore I in India is a capital letter. So it generates the name in Hindi. So it's working. Where I pass, so I pass the sample, give the range, how much range I want. So we use the for loop where I pass the range is 5 and print the sample dot name. So you can see the Doshi, Ali, Krishan, Pradeep is a it generate the 5 name. This is the 5 name. Same thing is if I want the French name, fake French name, so it's working. Same method I am using, but in local where I pass the FR for French, and then I give the range for loop in 5 and print the sample dot name. So it's give the 5 French name. Okay. The same thing is I'm using the same method. I'm using the local where I pass the JP. It means Japan underscore JP. Is a JP is a small letter. This one is the capital letter. Okay. First is small and next is the capital letter. So it's working. Same. I have give the range 5 loop and then print the name. So these are the 5 Japanese name. The next is I want the unique name, that there is any unique there is no any duplicacy. So no any duplicate address or name. So it print the unique name. The Paul fraud, it give the unique name. There is the sample and faker is a method name, then local en English, then USA print sample dot unique dot name. These all are inbuilt function. Next is the same thing, create module, upload the library, then sample dot figure. Now I want to print the text, that it print the some text for me. So it give the natural structure, art are described, add shoulder control, it's give the text. Same thing, I want the sentence, that it create the fake sentence. So this is the around road phone US, it gives some sentence. Now next I want that it generate the uh, whole profile, like a name, address, email address. So it gives the complete profile, job, and then company name, SS number, residence. So it gives the whole profile. The next one is I will generate the 15 profile, that there it give the, so where I using the DF and pass the sample dot profile because I want the profile, and then next create the range, give the loop in 15, range in 15, and it store in the data frame. So df frame is equal sign, then pd dot data frame, where I pass give the df is a variable name and print the data frame. So it's give the 15 fake number profile. So this is the job name and company and SS number. So it create the 15. This is the 15. Okay. Next is same thing, the faker dot seed, where I give the number 40 because seed is used to initialize the random number. If I am not giving the 40, it generate different type of number, random number. So we need to start the give the value. So if I have given the value, it not generate randomly. Same is a sample where is a local in English, English name, and then US. So it's working. Then I am taking the variable name fake, where I pass the sample dot profile, and how much profile I want to see, the range of 10. Okay, and data is stored in df variable name pd dot data frame, it is stored in the data frame, and this is the variable name fake employees, and pass the df1. So it show the 10 profile with name, job, company name. So you can see it give the name in last. This one is the name, job, company, SN, residence, current location, blood group, website, username, and name. So all these is give the fake data. Likewise, you can use create the any e- fake data, or generate any fake number, mobile number, or other things by using the fake library. Thank you.